Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could talk to your future self? This is the story of Lisa, a young woman who received a package from tomorrow. Part 1. The Ordinary Life. Lisa was a young woman living in a busy city. Every day felt the same. She walked the same streets, drank the same coffee, and passed people who never noticed her. Life was safe, but empty. Sometimes, she looked out the window and whispered, "Is this all there is?" Part 2. The Mysterious Package. One rainy afternoon, when Lisa came home, she found a small package waiting at her door. There was no sender name, only a short note. "Do not open today. Open tomorrow." Lisa frowned. It was strange. Who would send her something like this? All night, she couldn't stop thinking about it. What could be inside? She whispered. Curiosity filled her mind. Part 3. The Letter and the Watch. The next morning, Lisa opened the package. Inside, she found an old pocket watch and a letter. The letter said, "If you are reading this, you have a chance to change an important decision. Remember, a small choice today can shape tomorrow." Lisa didn't understand. Then she noticed the watch had stopped. Exactly at 3 p.m. That was the time she refused a job interview yesterday. Her heart started to beat faster. Part 4. The Second Chance. Before she could think more, her phone rang. "Hello, Lisa? This is the recruiter from yesterday. We would like to invite you again for the interview." Lisa froze. It couldn't be real. Was it just a coincidence? Or did the letter somehow change something? She looked at the watch and whispered, "Maybe, this is my second chance." For the first time in a long while, Lisa felt hope. Part 5. The Butterfly Effect. That day, small things started to feel different. She went to a new cafe and met an old friend she hadn't seen in years. She caught a taxi just before it rained. An email she almost ignored turned into a new opportunity. It was as if every small choice opened a new door. Lisa began to understand. Every yes or no matters. Every small action has the power to change the future. Part 6. The Hidden Message. That night, when Lisa placed the watch on her desk, a small piece of paper fell out. It said, "Congratulations. But remember, every choice tomorrow will shape your destiny." Lisa stared at the words, her eyes soft with realization. The watch wasn't magic. It was a reminder. A gift to help her see what was always true. Change doesn't come from time. It comes from awareness and courage to choose differently. Part 7. The Lesson of Time. Lisa smiled and looked out the window. The city lights were still shining, but everything felt new. She understood now. Time and choice always walk together. You don't need to predict the future. You just need to choose wisely today. Because one small decision can change everything. Her watch ticked again. Softly, steadily. As if to say, "This is your time." Thank you for watching this story. Maybe it reminded you of something in your own life. Time doesn't change us. Our choices do. If this story made you think, don't let it end here. Follow the Sunny English Stories. For more stories, leave a comment and tell us what you'd choose. If you had one more chance, don't forget to like, share it with someone you care about. See you in the next story.